Hi Virgos, welcome to your zodiac reading. Okay, so how I do this usually, and I'm doing the same way, it is going to be I'm going to be looking at your current situation, what's going on with you energetically, and then I'll be looking at the possible outcome. So, in the next 14-15 days, which is June 16th to the 30th, so if the current situation resonates, then you can continue to watch the reading because that way you'll be able to understand whether the reading is actually meant for you. So without any delay, let's begin. Let's see what's happening with you, Virgos. What's going on with Virgos? Let me see the current situation with you. Two of Pentacles, the Fool, and the Death. Interesting. See, I think in life or in general, you've reached a point where you have to do something about a situation. So there's not like you can delay this any further because it's reached some kind of a decision making point now. If you get what I'm saying. So there is no way out now. You have to decide, because if you don't, and if you again not do anything about it, or if you avoid it, the universe will step in and do something very crazy. So at this point, I see that sense of awareness already in you, where you kind of know that this is what it is. You know it, but you're still not doing it. I think you're not taking that decision. I also somewhere feel it is scary for you to decide, so maybe you're just kind of taking it slow on yourself because you think, no, it's scary and I don't think I want to walk on that path. So maybe you're just letting it be. But this is important. It's like a turnaround, like a turning point in your life. This is quite important. Let me see what this is about, Virgos. Temperance, yeah, this is definitely something divine. Okay, wow. So you can't stop this any longer. This is important for you to do because it's the universe's way to set a certain kind of balance back in your life. I do have the Seven of Wands in the bottom of the deck, so I'm picking up that maybe you wanted to delay this more, or delay taking this decision, or delay basically not deciding. But eventually I'm seeing that it can't be delayed any further. Okay, you can't go on like this. So now basis this, now let's see what can you expect in these 14-15 days. June 16th to the 30th, what can you expect? What can you expect? Four of Cups, Eight of Swords, Nine of Wands. You're still resisting it. You're still resisting it, Virgos. I'm seeing that there is something around you. Probably you're kind of bored at this point. You're not very sure how your life is going to be, and sometimes it becomes a little messy. So I think you don't want to do this. It just seems as if you're stuck in the darkness and you want to be there. You don't want to come out of it only. But the point is that it's like right on the edge now. Like there is no escaping. You can't continue like this. You will have to step out of this energy. Let's see what else. What can you expect? I do sense that you might get something from the universe, or just in general somebody might offer some help, but you'll still be skeptical. Yeah. I mean, what is wrong with you, Virgos? You just want to be away from everything. You don't want anyone to talk to you. You probably are getting into a very isolated zone. I don't know what happened with you. Either there is a certain sort of a mindset that you don't want to leave at all because that's your comfort zone and you feel happy there, so you don't want to move from there because you feel that yes, I want to be here. Okay? I am also seeing that somewhere subconsciously you had manifested this choice in your life. And now that it's here, you're scared and you're walking away from it. You don't trust people, or whatever the situation is, there are trust issues here. I am actually seeing you getting some help or someone offering you something, but still you will be skeptical about trusting this whole situation. You are probably not wanting to be open, you're not wanting to be vulnerable, you're just scared. And these next 13-14 days, what I am seeing is that your stubbornness is going to be very strong. You are being stubborn. It could also be that maybe you're working on a project you're very confident about and other people are discouraging you. So you feel that energy that no, this is not my truth and I'm going to believe only in my truth. But trust me, you have to give it a break. So what could be happening is that you might be thinking in a certain way. You might be very positive about this whole thing, but actually this is not positive. Actually, it's only making things difficult for you. Let's see what is the advice to you from the universe. Sorry. What is the advice to you from the universe? Face your shadows. There you go. I knew this card would come. Reach for the stars and shine your light. See, till the time you don't face your shadow, you will not be able to understand your own value. Okay, so whatever this decision is, either you're in it or you're out of it. Please decide this, because that is stopping you from growing. And if this continues this way, you will not grow at all. So you have to stop. You have to do this. Okay? I see that facing your shadow at this point is very important. So this is the right time. You have to decide. Okay, Virgos? So that is what I have for you. I hope this resonates. You can leave your comments below. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's Mishi Blue Tarot Official. I do daily 3-card readings over there. And sometimes picker cards also, short ones. I hope this resonates. Take care, and private readings are open. So let me know. Bye.